Have you ever eaten pork this way? If not, then this is the
Hello,
right time
beautiful
to try
people. How
it.
are you all doing? It's always with great pleasure when we have to do a video for you. So join me and let's cook some pork. Today we're going to be cooking some delicious pork. So here we have our pork already sliced and washed, and this is fever grass, lemongrass. We have African basil from this big leaf. You can make it out. This is washed African basil, some leeks, jangsa, onions, garlic and ginger. We're going to be using the calabash spice. You can't make this particular pork recipe without this calabash spice. And this one is the prekese, just a little bit of prekese, white and black pepper, some seasoning cube and salt, and of course our thyme. These are all the ingredients that we're going to be using. And if you also have celery, don't forget to put it. I don't have celery now, but it's also one of the ingredients. So now I'm going to be blending. Let's blend our spices. We're going to be blending everything that you see on this table. And here we have some water that we shall use in blending. So I'm not giving us any quantity. You just do the quantity of your spices according to the quantity of meat that you're going to be cooking. That is why I didn't precise the quantity I'm using. These ones are already blended, but I'm going to be adding them for better mixture. So for my seasoning cube and salt, I will be adding it inside the meat directly. So for this one, I'll just put the meat directly into the pot. For now, I won't be adding any water to the meat. Let me go in with my salt. You use salt and seasoning cube to your preference. This is my seasoning cube. I'm using the crevette seasoning cube. You can use any one that you like. I will mix. And allow it to sit. This also goes in. This one, the lemongrass, you don't blend it. Allow it to sit while I prep these other spices. Yeah. So I'm going to be using one cup of our spice to marinate the meat and to boil it as well. Just one measuring cup. Mix, mix, mix. If you're one who eats chili, Then you can as well add some chili pepper to it and blend. Or if you just like a little bit of heat, you can throw some pepper into the pot and cook with it. So I'm going to be leaving it to marinate for 15 minutes before I take it to the fire. So friends, it's already 15 minutes. It's been standing for 15 minutes. Now we're going to be cooking. Let's go to the fire. So let's check our pot. It's cooking, almost dry. So from time to time, we have to stir it. Now I'm going to be adding a bit of water, about 3 cups of water, and allow it to cook with that water so that the meat will be well cooked. Yeah, and while it's cooking, from time to time, like after 5 minutes or 7 minutes, we stir. After 5 or 7 minutes, we stir so as to prevent it from burning. So now that I've put my water, just stir a little and then allow it to cook very, very well. And at this point, you have to taste your seasoning, especially the salt, if it's enough. If it's not enough, do well to add. And everything is just okay. So let's wait from the pot. Let's check our pot. It's cooking very well. I'm going to be stirring it a little. So it has been cooking for almost 15 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding oil. Added a cup of oil. That is exactly 1 cup of oil. You can add less as you can add more. It just depends on what you want to achieve. Because this is going to be like pepper soup. This is a Cameroon street recipe for pork that is eaten with plantain, either ripe or unripe. So let's cover and allow it to cook again for more 15 minutes before we come and check it. So I'm going to be keeping the rest of my spices. I'll just store it in a nicely airtight container and keep it in the fridge. This can be used in making goats. So we shall use it next time for our next recipe. So friends, our pot has cooked. Sorry about that. Now it's ready. Our pot is ready. It has been cooking for 30 minutes, and this is what we have as sauce. If you don't want the sauce, you just allow it to cook until everything is dry, then you stir or you fry. But since we're going to be eating this with some plantains, we need some little sauce. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're going to be trying this recipe. We'll see you in our next one. Stay blessed. Ciao. Please like and share. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Kindly subscribe, share it, leave us your comments. Tell us how your own recipe came out. And yeah, so this is just it. I hope you're going to enjoy yours, because mine, I'm going to be enjoying it. So friends, this is street food. I'm making Cameroon street food in Kenya. It's pork
when you go to Cameroon, you see people doing pork like this, especially in the evening, and they serve it with ripe plantain or half ripe plantains. Thank you very, very much for watching this far. Please do well to subscribe. Enjoy, stay blessed, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.